Hey there, are you looking to add some fun and flair to your living space? Introducing the DAYBETTER LED Strip Lights. Perfect for anyone looking to brighten up their bedroom, desk, or indoor room with a pop of color. These LED strip lights are not only easy to install, but they also come with a remote control and a 24V power supply for convenience. You can choose from a variety of colors to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Picture this, it's your friend's birthday party, and you want to create a festive atmosphere. Simply stick these lights along the walls or ceiling, dim the main lights, and let the LED strip lights set the mood. The best part? You can easily change the colors to match the theme of the party, or even sync it to music for a truly immersive experience. So what are you waiting for? Add some pizzazz to your space with the DAYBETTER LED Strip Lights today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Order now and let the light show begin.